makeover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Chelsea from Jon Renau. This color is 1026 TT. This wig is very lightweight. It's made to be very comfortable on, and the cap construction has a lot of felt on the interior, which I'll show you when I take the wig off. All of this is to make the wig more comfortable. This is a really textured, shaggy style. Let me do a 360 so you can see what Chelsea looks like on all sides. This one has a ton of height on it. I mean, they have some model photos where, let me see if I can slick this down with my hands, where the hair is very demure and flat looking. Yeah, no, this one looks better messy for sure. It just does. So I think you should get this one if you like the volume and you like something that's a little bit on the wild side, because I love how this thing flips and flares here on the sides, especially with this color, because it looks so bold with the top being so much lighter than the nape. It really helps call attention to some of that layering in the back, doesn't it? Let me show you the front. This is not a lace front, so you'll definitely want to wear those bangs down, and there is permatease all throughout the top of this wig. The nape is only 2 inches as well, so you want to make sure that if you're, you know, a little hairy back here, you may want to shave your neck, you know, to get the most out of the look back here. So let's take a look at this cap construction. This one's pretty low frills. She's open capped, has a generous bump of permatease right here at the crown. That's what that little dark patch on the top there is. She's also got a big band of comfy felt right here at the front hairline, as well as felt here on the ear tabs. We also have an extended felt nape with a Velcro adjuster and quite a bit of elastic here on the sides. It's a fairly stretchy wig. It's quite comfortable on. Lots of hair on this one. Look at how tight all those wefts are. Not a whole lot of space between them. So this one's got quite a bit of hair on it. And that's what helps give it so much of its volume. Yes, but it also helps sort of hide the tracks. And she's very easy to wear, especially if you like her wild looking. She's ready to go, basically. So this is Chelsea from Jon Renau, and I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks so much for watching. We love having you here, and we look forward to hanging out with you in the comment section. Until next time, everybody, have a great night. Bye-bye.